Hi, my name is John. I'm an entrepreneur from the Midwest. Most of you know me because of my many inventions, but now I'm in the market to sell my very first one. The very first one was originally called Almost Autonomous Lawnmower. I did have a company help me with the provisional patent and the patent process, but some of that fell through. I did get the provisional patent, and I do have that currently. Of course, now it's expired. Also, the same company helped me with the patent. However, they went bankrupt. I lost thousands of dollars on that deal. But that's okay. I'm not going to cry about it. Live and learn. But anyway, so this product that I want to sell, this is the prototype of the very first ever remote control, battery operated lawnmower with live streaming onboard video. Ready? Hi, my name is John. I've been working a little over a year on this almost autonomous lawnmower. For short, I call it AL. This is completely battery operated. There's no gas or oil or anything on this anywhere. Completely battery operated. We're inside here. You can see what Al sees from its camera, onboard camera, and of course I can enlarge it here. You can see it with a lot better. You can also see here you can record the video. You can record just an image, time lapse. You can even do motion detection. You can download the video. You can edit the sensor settings or anything like that. And in here, camera settings. You can do all kinds of cool things with the camera settings. Okay, so now you're going to watch what the mower is going to do. And here we go. And there you go. You can see it. We'll go ahead and turn it. And of course stop. Okay, stop. The lawnmower, I've done a lot of things to it since the original days. Of course, you can add or remove the lawnmower, and then it's just the deck. The deck itself I call Buddy. You know, and it's a workhorse. You'll see in some of my videos that it'll pull a lot of weight around if you need to do something. And then of course with the lawnmower, you can easily add that 4 bolts and 1 wire, or remove it. And then I have the wheelbarrow, which I put on there. With that, it just slips right on. It's got 2 actuators that hooks up to it, and 2 wires. And then you have a remote control battery operated wheelbarrow that functions, that will lift and lower. It will carry 300 pounds of weight according to the actuator's weight limit of 300 pounds. And again, it's got live streaming onboard video. You will get this entire product with both attachments. The price is a little bit negotiable, but not much, as I have thousands of dollars into it. I know it's used, but again, the key feature here is nobody in the world has this. Nobody.